Here's how to use your credit card when you are planning to buy your Christmas shopping with your credit card. So be smart and see how you can use your credit card for your Christmas shopping this year. Definitely, the first point is to choose a 0% purchase credit card. This is literally a credit card where you have for a fixed period of the time, up to 2 years, sometimes even more, to repay your money you borrow without any interest. So you are interest free, zero purchase credit card, you're paying 0% on your balance which you borrow, and that means that you don't pay any interest. So let's go borrow that money, enjoy the Christmas, however, repay it within the limit, within the time when your credit card is actually at the 0%. The second way how to use your credit card smart during this Christmas shopping is that you're going to use rewards credit cards. If you actually are comfortable with the cost of Christmas, if you are going to spend a lot and you know that you have enough money to repay it, it is worth considering a card that has actually rewards on your spending. Rewards credit cards can give you something back each time you use them, and if you also have enough cash to repay that balance, you are not going to get into a debt, and like this, you can use then those rewards in the future. So, like this, you enjoy your spending, you enjoy your Christmas shopping, you get some rewards back, and plus, you have money to repay your balance. The smart way how you can use your credit card for this year Christmas shopping is when you use a cashback credit card. This is literally a cashback credit card which will give you back a certain percentage of what you spent on your card. Some offer a bonus period for the first few months, so you can get this in time for your Christmas shopping to get more cashback on your spending. As with reward credit cards, it is important that you repay cashback credit cards in full every month, so you're not gonna literally get the interest charged, because otherwise the interest which is charged will indeed wipe out your cashback payments. So to have the benefits from it, make sure that you have the money to repay the money you borrow each and every month in full. And if you are also going to use the credit card for this year Christmas shopping, you can use it in a way that you can improve your credit and build your credit score. If you are planning to spend more than usual, but your credit score is actually preventing you from getting the credit card deals you want, you should try a credit building card. That work out how much you want to spend and choose a card with that limit. But stay strict to repayment plans, and you can, like this, you can boost your credit card score within the next 4 to 6 months. Boosting your credit card score also can help you then in the future when it comes to getting any loans, mortgages. You can get less interest on your deals and also better conditions. So you can use this year Christmas shopping as a great opportunity to build your credit card score within a short period of the time. Once again, make sure that if you are going to do that, yes, you enjoy your Christmas shopping, however, you have money for repayment, the amount which you borrow on your credit card.